Welcome, here I've got SONY Xperia 10 II and I'm gonna show you how to use the camera promote at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it. And as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's change it. We can do it by using this button here in the left corner at the bottom with mode. When we tap on this, we get access to all of the modes of this camera, and one of this is the manual one, so this is the pro mode. When we tap on this, we can start taking photos on it, and the pro mode gives us possibilities to choose shooting parameters by ourselves. This is useful when we want to learn photographic skills and making experiments with photography. So let me start with this settings bar, and the first one button I want to show you from the right is the white balance. So when we tap on this, we can change the temperature of our picture and we can adjust it. We can pick the cloudy light, then the daylight, white fluorescent light, and the tungsten light. So this is how it works here, and this is how it changes. We can also go back to the auto settings here, but for now let me stay on the tungsten light. And let's move to the next one button here. This is the exposure compensation. So here we can control the light of our picture, and by using the slider, by going to the right we can make it more bright, and by going to the left we can make it more dark. As you can see, this is how it works here. And let's move to the next one button. Here is the ISO. So here we can control the camera's sensitivity to light. So this is also light managing, but a little bit different. And we can use this slider to manage this. We can pick from 50 ISO, so less sensitivity, to 3 and 2/1000 of it, so more sensitivity. It's really cool, and this is really wide spectrum here. And let's move to the next one button. This is the shutter speed. So here we can change the time of taking picture. As you can see, by using this slider we can do it. We can pick from 1 second of taking picture, which is very long, and this is as you can see here we have icon with human standing, so this is for stable objects. And by going to the right we can change it to the 1 and 4/1000 of seconds, so this is really short, and this is good to taking photos to objects in move. As you can see here we have icon with human that is running, so this is really pro and really cool here. And now let's go to the next one button. This is the focus. As you can see here we have AF, so autofocus, and by using the slider we can change it to the manual focus, so now it's MF. As you can see, this is how it works. And after turn it on all of these settings, sometimes we may want to go back to the auto settings. We can do it separately. As you can see here we have auto, so when I tap on this we go back to the autofocus. The same thing happens when in shutter speed, for example. When I tap on auto we go back separately in shutter speed to auto settings. We can also do it at the same time with this button from the left, so reset. And all of this came back to the auto settings. So this is how it works here. For now let me take a photo. And here at the right corner in the bottom is the preview, so this is the quick access to the gallery. That's all. This is the picture. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.